Welcome to our next tutorial. To buy Nano with fiat, visit Gardarian.com. Select a currency and enter the amount you wish to spend. Please pay attention to the minimum amount available for your exchange. For each transaction, we provide exchange details. Gardarian has a fixed fiat currency fee and isn't charging you with additional or hidden fees. The expected exchange rate is considered as the rate at the moment of calculation. Please note, depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. Ensure you have read the terms and conditions and press the button to continue. Fill in your Nano wallet address and write your phone number for SMS verification. Gardarian will never call you, don't worry. Enter the code next. The following step is a quick and easy verification of your identity. Select your preferred document and take a picture. Next up is facial check. Turn on your camera, then place your face within the frame and roll the head in a circular motion. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. Finally, you need to fill in your payment card and billing information. Do carefully check all the details before processing the payment. Please note, payment from another person's account and payment without reference would be cancelled. As soon as we receive your payment, the exchange will be performed.